spit into the clouds, and then
Yes,
when
Ray,
it get
good
too full,
job.
when it get too full, it comes down.
God is not gonna spit that many times.
I don't believe that the rain is Jesus spitting.
I believe it.
What makes you think that the rain is Jesus spitting?
Jesus
Because
not gonna
everybody
that much
spit.
time.
Mm.
Good observation.
So you said, what do you say it do in heaven? It get full?
So he spits, and then he spit in the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So he spit in the cloud, and then when the cloud gets too full, all the spit come down, and it come like raindrops.
Oh.
No, I just think it's hell.
It's not hell.
Yeah, I think
Hell are little balls of ice. So we
it is.
would,
Hell.
yeah, it would like, it's a solid form of ice and rain. That's what hell is.
I think it's pale.
What is pale?
Pale? You don't know what pale is?
No.
Now, can you
Mom,
can
my
you
car
put
ever
the closest that you can to Girl Scout?